I will try to show you how this appliance works. This is 300-watt system. These are various monitoring meters which are explained in detail in our user manual. Now I will on the gas system. This generates gas. Few of the indicators I have purposely removed just to maintain the. Now this is the igniter. I started the system. Basically this temperature meter, this thermometer over here, this only indicates presence of flame. It doesn't indicate actual temperature of the plate, this plate. It's already hot. We can have thermal imaging device to measure the temperature. See how quickly it has already reached 200 degrees. Nearly 200 degrees.